Keysmith lets you make custom keyboard shortcuts for your Mac and the web. Let's see a few examples of what Keysmith can do and how easy it is to make a shortcut. I use Keysmith to change settings, like switching my mic input between my headphones and my computer. Keep in mind, all I did just now was press a keyboard shortcut. That was Keysmith doing all the clicking. Slack already has great keyboard navigation, but it's missing a shortcut to close the thread sidebar, so I made a quick shortcut to do just that. Keysmith can also handle more complicated flows, like attaching the latest GitHub pull request to a ticket on Trello. Here's what a shortcut looks like in Keysmith. It uses simple, natural language, like how you describe what you're doing to a friend. There's no complicated builder and no coding involved. Here's how I made each of those shortcuts. I hit record, open System Preferences, and go about changing the input, just like I would normally. Notice how Keysmith shows me exactly what it's picking up in real time. And that's it. Creating a custom shortcut is that easy. Slack isn't a native app, so Keysmith can't see its buttons. Instead, Keysmith will click at a given point. Now usually that'd be fragile because you might move or resize a window. Here, Keysmith sees that I clicked near the upper right-hand corner, so it shows the coordinates of the click from that corner. That means we can move or even resize the window and it'll still click at the right place. For this third task, let's say I'm already in my flow on Trello and I don't have Keysmith's editor open. Rather than bringing up Keysmith, I'm going to use a hotkey to start recording. I'll click GitHub, attach pull request, and select the latest PR. You'll notice that it's set to click the latest PR by name, but what we actually want is to always click the first item in the list. Keysmith is aware of lists, so I'll just change that to click on the first item in the list. Now I'll add a hotkey and set it to work only on Trello. Then I'll give it a name, and we're done. Keysmith makes it easy to create your own custom keyboard shortcuts. Download it free at keysmith.app.